Welcome back to Lexus Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2014 Lexus LX 570 Ultra Premium package in the Starlight Black mica finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a local Alberta car. Some of the features do include auto leveling HID headlamps with the adaptive front lighting system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, headlamp washer switch, power folding side mirrors with the auto feature, heated steering wheel, traction control off, adaptive front lighting system off, power liftgate, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power windows and locks, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, dynamic radar cruise control, also equipped with a pre-collision, an 8-inch touchscreen display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, dual zone climate control, a 19-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, heated and ventilated front seats, 4-wheel drive controls, crawl control, turn function assist, height control, sport and comfort driving modes, front console cool box, sunroof, third row seating, black interior in great condition, rear entertainment system, rear climate controls with the second row heated seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.